Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you step by step how to add a size chart inside the Horizon Shopify theme. You will learn how to create the size chart table, how to add it to your product, and also display it in your store. Let's start. And if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, make sure to check this size and easily import any size charts from AliExpress. First, I'm gonna teach you guys how to create the size chart table. So I will use this website. It's called htmltables.io. Go ahead and type it on your browser. And here we can build a simple size chart. You can change the table properties. For example, I can search over here 5 columns if I want 5 columns or how many rows I need. And if we scroll down, we can see that now my table has 5 columns. We can also change the header, rows, and border colors. If we click on the square over here, I'm gonna let mine as is. And if we scroll down, we can edit the table content. For example, I can type over here size, bust, length, and let's say waist. I'm gonna let mine as 4 columns just for example. And if we click on the table cell, we can also edit its content, for example. And I'm going to also delete or remove this text. After we create the table, we can copy the HTML code to use inside Shopify. I'm going to keep that tab open so we can use it later. I recommend you do the same. Next, let's go inside Shopify. We are going to create a Shopify metafield. This is going to create a field inside our product page so we can insert our table code here. Click on settings at the bottom left. Now go to metafields and meta objects. Choose products. And here we are going to click on add definition. We will call it size charts. For the type, we are going to choose single line text. So we can scroll down over here and choose single line text. And after that, go ahead and click on save. Now we will display the size chart on the product page. Go to online store. Make sure you are on themes, and now we are going to customize the theme. So click on customize. Here we are going to select the product page from the top middle menu. So click over here on page, click products, default product. And now on the left side, we are going to click on this arrow over here next to product information. Now let's scroll down and add a new block. Now we are going to choose Accordion. Let's see. I already have one. I'm going to delete this one. So here we can delete the rows that we don't want. So for example, if I don't want this row, I can delete it. And if we click on the row, we can rename it to size chart, for example. Now let's click on the arrow back over here. And now I am going to click on the text inside the accordion row. Click on the text. I'm going to remove this text. And now I'm going to connect a dynamic source. That's just our metafield that we just created. Okay? Click over here. I'm going to choose the size charts. That's our metafield. And now I'm gonna hit the save button. That way every product will show the size chart you put inside the metafield. So let's test it. Let's go back to our htmltables.io. I'm going to copy the table code that we just created. Now if we go back to our Shopify products, I'm going to click on products. Now I'm going to open one product and scroll down until you see metafields. Okay, we're here, we have these metafields, and I'm going to paste the code, the table code inside the metafield. I can also remove this credits. For example, if I select HTML tables and hit the backspace button and then I'll click on save it, this probably will remove the credits, okay? Now let's see the product in the theme preview. I'm going to click over here on preview. You will see the accordion with your size chart inside. Perfect, right? We can also remove this made with, as you can just find over here. Let's see if I can find it. Let's remove. If I save again and go back to my products, let's refresh, and then now it's already appearing my size chart. Okay, now you know how to create a size chart. If this video will help you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.